Layn, Avail University. My name is Conrad Layn. I say all these good things about Avail constantly in my videos about them paying passive income, building wealth, but there's always an ugly side to any business, and that's any business. But guess what? You inherited free employees to take care of these disasters. So when ugly things happen to your business, like for example, say your car's stolen, say it's compromised, say your car was seized by some type of maybe police department, maybe something happened to your car, maybe it was set on fire. You don't even have to show up to the scene. You don't have to make any calls. Avail will make all the claims on your behalf. They'll talk on the phone. They'll meet anyone they need to actually recoup your car, or to go to the seize lot, maybe where it seized that. They take care of any disaster that happened to your car. These are employees that are at your disposal. This is what you have to pay for if you were running this independently, or even if you're a tour, you have to use more of your time, either hiring someone to do it, or you have to go there yourself. You just save yourself a headache, and now you have employees, Avail employees, that will go to the lots to pick up your car, to go to the damage yards, to if your car is totaled or destroyed. They'll go to the police department on your behalf if they need to file a police report, etc. They do all this on your behalf. Very good to understand it. Like, subscribe, share, currently now.